Hello, BSc first year students. In today's lecture, we will study the parental care in amphibia. You know that we are started the amphibia and introduction, general characters and classification of amphibia we have already studied. In today's lecture, we will study the parental care in amphibia. Dear students, parental care, first we have to define what is the parental care. In animals, care taken by parents of the new ones or young ones, that is called as the parental care. Parents पिल्लांची जी काळजी घेतात त्याला म्हणायचे पॅरेंटल केअर. केअर्स टेकन बाय द पेरेंट्स ऑफ द न्यू वन्स just hatched or just born. So that is called as the parental care. So in the amphibia, this class, if the chordate animals are divided into two groups, lower chordates and higher chordates. So amphibia is in the lower chordates and birds and mammals are in the higher chordates. Lower chordate, higher chordate. So in lower chordate, the young ones are numerous, many. Lower chordate मध्ये पिल्ल किंवा अंडे हे जास्त प्रमाणात असतात आणि हायर chordate मध्ये अंडी किंवा पिल्ले हे कमी प्रमाणात असतात. जेवढं अंड्याचं किंवा पिल्लांचं प्रमाण कमी असेल तेवढं पॅरेंटल केअर इज द मोर. पॅरेंटल केअर इज मोर. It is highly evolved or highly developed in the mammals. Parental care in mammals. Very dangerous. Parental care in birds also. Birds are also taking more cares of their young ones. So here our study is the parental care in amphibia. So in amphibia, amphibian animals are taking by different ways parental cares. So first parental care, that is the nest building. घरटे बांधणे. पिल्लांना जन्म देण्याच्या आधी किंवा अंडी देण्याच्या आधी अॅम्फिबियन ॲनिमल्स काय करतात तर नेस्ट बिल्डिंग म्हणजे घरटे बनवण्याचं काम करतात. सो दिस नेस्ट बिल्डिंग मीन्स द दॅट इज द प्रिपरेशन फॉर द रिप्रोडक्शन और फॉर द लेइंग द एग्स. अंडे द्यायचे असेल तर त्या आधी ते नेस्ट बिल्डिंग करतात म्हणजे घरटे बांधतात. अॅम्फिबियन ॲनिमल्स दे आर प्रिपेरिंग और मेकिंग द नेस्ट्स. Different types of the nest. So first type of nest in amphibia is mud nest. चिखलामध्ये ते घरटे बनवतात. चिखलामध्ये in the at the bottom of the pond or at the bottom of the river, at the sides of the river in water. So nest building. So first type is the mud nest. चिखलांचे घरटे. Second type of the nest is the leaf nest. Number of amphibian animals are climb on the trees. The tree which is very near to the water body. नदीच्या किंवा डोहाच्या साईडला काही झाडं असतात. त्या झाडावरती हे amphibian animals जातात आणि झाडांची जी फांदी पाण्यावरती असं हँगिंग पोझिशन मध्ये आहे अशा फांदीचे जे लीफ आहे लीफ पानं त्या पानाला असं मुडपून बॉडी मधलं चिकट स्राव द व्हिस्कस सेक्रेशन फ्रॉम द बॉडी दॅट इज युज्ड ॲज द गम और ग्लू फॉर पेस्टिंग द एड्स ऑफ दॅट लीफ अँड मेकिंग द लीफ नेस्ट. ट्राय टू अंडरस्टँड. पाण्याच्या साईडला नदीच्या किंवा डोहाच्या साईडला जे झाडं असतात त्यांच्या फांद्या त्या पाण्यावरती फांद्या असतात. त्या फांद्याचे जे पान आहे लीफ दॅट फोल्डिंग amphibian animals making the fold and pasting that edge of the leaf and making a cavity for laying the eggs. So after hatching, that larvae jump into the water. Water is essential in the life of amphibian animals. Even though amphibian animals, they are coming out the water body, but for the reproduction, they must go in the water body. Frog किंवा amphibian animals पाण्याच्या बाहेर जरी राहत असेल तरी रिप्रोडक्शनसाठी, प्रजननासाठी त्यांना पाण्यावरती डिपेंड राहावं लागते, पाण्यामध्येच जावं लागतं. सो दे आर मेकिंग द नेस्ट ऑन द ट्रीज which is very near to the side of the water body, making the fold of the leaf, making the cavity, and in that cavity rainwater is deposited, and in that frog giving the eggs after hatching that jump in the water. So this preparation of the nest is due to the parental care taken special for the young ones. So care taking by mud nest, parent taking the care by mud nest for the young ones, by leaf nest for the young ones. Similarly, tree cavities. Some of the trees are having the cavities, a big cavity. Rainwater in monsoon, in rainy season, rainwater fall is deposited in the cavity. झाडाच्या अशा कॅव्हिटीमध्ये पावसाचे पाणी जमा होतो आणि त्या जमा झालेल्या पावसाच्या पाण्यामध्ये फ्रॉग अंडी देतात. दॅट इज अ केअर. इतर प्राण्यांचे भक्ष्य ठरू नये, इतर प्राण्यांनी त्यांचे अंडे खाऊ नये, त्यांच्या पिल्लांना खाऊ नये म्हणून झाडाच्या कॅव्हिटीमध्ये ते अंडे देतात आणि तिथे त्याच्यामधून लार्वे तयार होतात. Water is essential. So that is the care taken by the parents. So tree cavity nest, झाडाच्या कॅव्हिटी मध्ये घरटी तयार करणे पिल्लांसाठी. फोम नेस्ट, फोम साबणाचं जे फेस तयार होतो असं फोम नेस्ट, and giving the eggs on that foam, and that foam is floating on the water bodies. So different types of the parental cares are taken by the amphibia in the heading of the nest building, घरटे बनवणे. So another one is the gelatinous bag nest, gelatinous, saucer-like, gelatinous, and giving the eggs on that gelatinous saucer. So these are the different types of the nest building by the amphibian animals, especially for the care of the young ones. So the parents taking the care of their young ones. पिल्लांची जी काळजी माता पित्याकडून किंवा पॅरेंट्स कडून घेतली जाते त्याला म्हणायचे पॅरेंटल केअर. आणि आजचा आपला हा विषय आहे पॅरेंटल केअर इन एम्फिबिया, नॉट इन बर्ड्स अँड नॉट इन mammals, in amphibia, parental cares in amphibia. So parental care in amphibia is the first main type is the nest building, and second type is the direct caring. The parents direct carrying their eggs ones for the care, for the care, direct caring. So they making the coil around the eggs. Parents making the coils around the eggs. For example, Ichthyopis. You see the figure. Ichthyopis is a apoda, belongs to the class amphibia, amphibian animals. So it is just like the snake, leg-less amphibians, Ichthyopis. So Ichthyopis female laying the eggs and making coil around the eggs. त्याला त्याच्या भोवती असं वेटळा घालून बसून राहत. That is taking the care of the eggs. So coil around the eggs. The parents making the coil. सापाचं जसं वेटळा तयार होते तसं अंडे दिल्यानंतर त्या अंड्याला असं वेटळ्या भोवती घेऊन बसायचं. That is the care taking by the parents. Now another type of is the eggs glued around the neck. In some of the amphibian animals, the eggs are glued. Glued म्हणजे चिटकिने अराउंड द eggs. मानेभोवती असं एक माळा, जसं मणक्यांची माळा गळ्यामध्ये घातलं तसं अंड्यांची एक माळा तयार करते. अँड दॅट इज द एग्स ग्लूड. ग्लूड म्हणजे ग्लू म्हणजे चिटकिणे किंवा चिटकिण्याचा पदार्थ. ग्लूड अराउंड द नेक्स, असं मानेभोवती त्याचं एक माळा तयार करून स्वतःसोबत कॅरी करत राहते. दॅट इज द केअर टेकन बाय द पॅरेंट्स. Then eggs glued backs. So some of the amphibian animals, they glued their eggs to the backs, bag-like structures. That is the care. Another one is the eggs carrying in pockets. Some of the amphibian animals, they are having the pocket-like structures on their back. त्यांच्या पाठीवरती असं पॉकेट सारखं, असे आपल्या खिशासारखं असे स्ट्रक्चर असतात. आणि अंडी दिल्यानंतर ती अंडी त्या पॉकेटमध्ये टाकतात आणि त्याची काळजी घेतात. पॅरेंटल केअर म्हणजे माता पित्याने घेतलेली काळजी. सो इन दिस वे द amphibian animals are taking the cares of their eggs and their young ones. So this is about the parental care in amphibia. Now the last bit from that chapter, amphibia, is the hibernation and estivation. From the amphibia, hibernation and estivation is the last bit. So first we will define here the hibernation and estivation. So the state of suspended animation. The state of suspended animation or dormancy. Dormancy. जेव्हा कंडिशन अनफेवरेबल असेल, when atmosphere is not suitable for the amphibian animals, that time amphibian animals are going on the dormancy, or amphibian animals are going in the state of suspended animation. All activities are stopped and it goes in the resting condition because the climate, the atmosphere is not suitable there. So it goes in the burrow. बिळामध्ये जाऊन बसतात. बिळामध्ये अशा ठिकाणी जाऊन बसतात का जिथे त्याला बाहेरच्या वातावरणाचं कुठलंही बॅड इफेक्ट त्याच्यावर होत नाही. बाहेर जर खूप हीट असेल तर त्या हीटचं त्याच्यावर काही परिणाम होणार नाही. याच्याकरिता ते असं बिळामध्ये जाऊन बसतात, लपतात. एन्व्हायरमेंटल अनसुटेबल कंडिशन पासून स्वतःचा बचाव करण्यासाठी ते लपून बसतात. खूप थंडी पडलेली असेल, ती सहन होत असेल तर हे रेस्टिंग कंडिशन मध्ये लपून राहतात. सो दॅट इज कॉल्ड एज द hibernation and estivation in frog. So in frog, when condition is unsuitable, goes on the suspended animation or dormancy. Here the two bits, hibernation and estivation. Actually hibernation and estivation, these are the two different conditions. Hibernation, this hibernation is called as the, also called as the winter sleep. Winter sleep. हिवाळ्यामध्ये, in the winter season where condition is unfavorable, that time animal goes in the dormancy, animal goes in the hidden condition, resting condition in winter. So that is called as the winter sleep, and that winter sleep is nothing but the hibernation. So remember, hibernation means a winter sleep when condition is very cold. Frog cannot adjust to that condition, so frog goes on sleep, resting condition. फ्रॉग काय करतात की जेव्हा वातावरणामध्ये खूप थंडी पडलेली असेल, ती थंडी त्याला सहन होत असेल तर ते रेस्टिंग कंडिशन मध्ये जातात. विंटर मध्ये रेस्टिंग कंडिशन मध्ये राहतात, लपून राहतात, म्हणून त्याला विंटर स्लीप असं म्हणायचं, किंवा त्याला म्हणायचं हिबर्नेशन. हिबर्नेशन. Another condition is when in summer season, when summer is very hot So frog cannot adjust in that hot condition. So again frog goes in the sleep, resting condition. So that is called as the estivation, or that is in the summer season. So that is also called as the summer sleep. So in the notes, the state of dormancy or winter sleep and summer sleep in the burrow, frog is in resting condition, is shown. So dear students, today we have completed the frog or amphibia chapter. So this parental care in amphibia and hibernation or estivation of frog, these 2 points from the syllabus was remain, and today it is completed. In next period we will start the next chapter. So for today it is sufficient. After observing this period, after listening this YouTube lecture, you send your presentee. I will put that presentee in the attendance register. So dear students, for today it is sufficient. Thank you very much.